I've got to get these papers graded so I can get to the potluck.
Sir, we've gained access to the mathematical
main thread. Over.
'Tis the season for chaos, my mathematical minions. Let's encrypt the digits of pi to ruin their holiday joy. Shut it down.
What the? No! No, 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 no! All I wanted was a quiet holiday drink!
What in the world are these guys up to?
We have company.
Grab your calculators. Don't let him get away.
Clackamas Community College Dispatch, how can I help you?
My name is John McLean. I'm a math instructor at CCC. The college mainframe has been taken offline by a bunch of very angry people who want to ruin the holidays.
Sir, this is a secure line.
Listen to me. You've got to send someone now.
Unit 1, we got possible situation at the mathematical mainframe. Can you go check it out? Over.
Roger that. I'm on my way. He said to the tunnels. Over.
Don't let him get away.
Man, it's dark in here.
Come to the potluck. We'll get together and have a few laughs.
No sign of him here. Over.
I got your number, Hans. I'm going to crack the digits of pi and restore the holiday spirit.
Not if I can stop you, McLean.
Aha! I've got it.
have it cornered now.
Don't do it, McLean!
It's all over, Hans. I've decrypted the digits of pi.
Yippee-ki-yay and happy holidays from CCC.